patience, love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves. For the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Dear children, let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth. Once you come and eat healthy food and a treat, among the trees we will seat, learning more of each other as we greet. Which means call me. Heart, Nathan.
Oh, sing to me until your mouth turns dry, 'cause these attitude notes with a well-meant background keeps me breathing, keeps me breathing.